Let me walk you through how I made this danceable Afro beat last night. Yo, the name is Gosa and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Today's video is very simple. I want to take you through how I made this danceable Afro beat last night. Let's get started. Alright guys, we are in FS Studio. The tempo for this beat was 110. I started with the kick. I just played the kick. Let's listen to the kick. So I've placed it on the playlist. The next thing I added was the clap. Very simple. Let's listen to the clap. Normal Afro claps. Move. Let's listen. Very simple. So let's add that one to the kick. Let me switch it to the song mode. Okay, so right after that, I just introduced this counter melody that I used Flex to create that, or Flex to make that. If you want to know the best tones in Flex that you can use to make Afrobeat, I have a video there. Check this video at the top here to watch the best tones in Flex that you can use for your Afrobeat. Okay, so this was how it was sounding alone. So let's add that one to those that we have introduced. Alright, so right after that, you can see we are in the mood now, leading us to the danceable way Afrobeat. Okay, so the next thing I added was this one too, that I used the same Flex enlightenment from Flex. Okay, let's listen to that one alone, then we add it to the beat. Alright, so let's add that one to the beat. Okay, okay, so the next thing I introduced was this one too, that I use the same Flex best tones that you can use to make Afrobeat. You have to check the video to know the best tones in Flex that you can use to make your Afrobeat. Let's continue. So this one was Hunting Hour and it was sounding like this alone. Let's listen to that. Something like a pad, so let's add that one. Alright, so the next thing I introduced was this one too. I think I use Flex for everything. Okay, I use Flex for everything. Head buzzer. Let's listen to that one alone. Alright, so guys, let's add that one to the beat and change it to the song mode. Okay, so the next thing I introduced was this one. You can see I played it like this and later on I muted some of them. So this is how it sounds. Alright, I used kalimba from Flex. Let's add that one too. Alright, sorry for the CPU disturbing. Okay, so the next thing I introduced was this. Let's listen to it. Alright, guys, let's add that one to it. Okay, very simple. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe. Links to my previous videos too also down there. Go and watch them, some of it may help you. Then I have the link to download this sample pack that I used for this beat in the description down there. You can download it for free. Let's continue. The next thing I introduced was my bass. Okay, and the bass I used Flex. Everything was made with Flex, so let's listen to the bass alone. I did some slice. Okay, let me go down a bit. Okay, so that you can see it very well. So let's listen to how the bass was sounding. Okay, this is a short bass. Okay, let's add that one to the whole song or beat. Alright guys, so you can see this beat is crazy. Okay, it's very nice. You can dance with it. Okay, so I think I added this agogo and this was how it was sounding. Very simple. I was just adding more layers to give it groove. So let's add that one to it. Alright guys, so the last thing I added was this conga. Let's listen to that. Very simple. So finally, let's add everything, then you enjoy the beat. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to help us grow this channel. Like the video, share the video as well, leave a comment down there in the description box. Links to my previous videos too also down there. Watch them, some of it may help you. Download the free sample pack that I use for this beat in the description down there by clicking on the link. Okay, so let's enjoy the final beat. Okay. Alright guys, so this is how I made this danceable Afro beat. It's got sound on the beat. Stay the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.